and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Today's episode is going to be an advanced one. I'm actually working on a little house and a little background, a little scenery around it. This is not going to be 3, this is actually going to be 7 steps to accomplish. A little bit more challenging than a lot of the other ones, but I wanted to throw this one in there because I have a lot like this and I want to challenge some of you advanced ones and even some of your beginner ones. Try it. I think you really would enjoy this cute little house. Alright, so if you have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Now that was a challenging one for sure, but I hope you learned something from it and you enjoyed it. What I want you to really practice with is just use your imagination and with building the blocks. I didn't use any perspective, which I should have done. I was just doing everything by eye as if it was a thumbnail and just sketching out for a background, for a concept art, just roughing it out. So what I want you to practice with this lesson is maybe build your own little house, take little shapes and just build it up to something unique. Anyways, so I hope you enjoy this lesson again, and I really appreciate you watching this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.